Hello everyone, my name is Sergey.
And my name is Dasha.
We are 23 years old.
And we were born in Russia and raised in the Urals.
We have known each other for more than 4 years and each of us loves to travel since childhood. We used to go hiking, rafting down rivers and climbing mountains. More recently, we were interested in traveling by motorhomes. In the summer of 2020, we built a motorhome out of a motorcycle together. In September of the same year, we set off on our trip to a motorcycle house across Russia. Firstly, we bought a used tricycle with a loading platform and installed a living module on it. During the construction of the house, we were used 4mm plywood, wooden blocks, insulation, paint, sealant, self-tapping screws and other building materials. We did everything with our own hands in the garage, and my father helped us.
There are a dry closet, a sofa that converts into a bed, a sink with a shower head, lockers, a table, a battery pack, a guitar, LED lighting, a gas cylinder, a cooking stove, a scooter, a unicycle, and more inside our motorhome. On the roof there are a 117-watt solar panel and a sunroof. The energy of the sun is enough for us to charge our phones, work on the computer, and use the lighting in the evening. We drove from the Perm territory to the Black Sea. Then we have traveled around the coast and almost returned. At the moment, we have already covered about 7,000 kilometers. Our journey took 9 months. Almost all this time we lived, slept, cooked food, and even washed in our house. In winter, we worked as administrators in a hotel and lived there because there is no heating in our house. Sometimes we've worked remotely.
There were many difficulties and dangerous moments of this journey. Our motorhome turned over, was stuck in the mud, and it broke sometimes. We ran out of gasoline, gas, water, and electricity. Dangerous inspect beat us. However, we have always dealt with these difficulties. Then we continued our journey. On the way, we met various interesting and kind people, other travelers. Someone helped us with repairs, someone offered food and lodging, and someone just told the stories of their adventures.
Find us on YouTube and Instagram under the name Small House Big Life. We will talk about our motorhome, travel, household issues, and much more there. We came up with the name of the YouTube channel before we hit the road, but we only understood its meaning during the trip. Our little home gave us such an incredible life what we could not even imagine. Moreover, even small difficulties could not prevent us from enjoying this adventure. They only tempered us, made us more experienced and stronger.
We were in a new place almost every day, new cities. We saw and learned a lot, even lived in a tree house and did not regret anything.
We are planning to continue our journey in this format. Over the winter we will remake and improve our motorhome and go further to conquer the vastness of Russia. As soon as the restrictions with COVID-19 will pass, we will travel to other countries.
Don't be afraid to dream and make your dreams come true.
All our limitations are only in our heads. Don't put yourself in the box. Think wider and be kinder.
And you will definitely succeed. Good luck!